Since its introduction, the iPhone SE has stood apart as Apple's affordable yet powerful option. Each model retained a retro look but packed impressive features at an unbeatable price. But now, major leaks hint at something new. A reimagined iPhone SE 4 that breaks the mold. So, what's different? According to insiders, Apple's giving the SE a radical design overhaul. No more thick bezels or home button. The SE4 could bring an all-screen design similar to the iPhone XR, with a 6.1-inch liquid retina display. This new look means a bigger, more immersive screen and, possibly for the first time on an SE model, Face ID. Imagine an SE that feels premium and modern, yet keeps its identity as the affordable iPhone. And it's not just about looks. The SE4 is rumored to have Apple's A15 Bionic chip, the same powerhouse found in the iPhone 13. That means faster processing, better graphics, and yes, 5G support, all in an affordable package. Now let's talk cameras. The SE series has always focused on quality with simplicity, and the SE4 could take that a step further. Leaks suggest a single 12-megapixel camera, capable of beautiful photos and smooth 4K video, backed by Apple's advanced computational photography and battery life. With the A15's efficiency, the SE4 should see improved battery performance. Plus, some speculate it might support MagSafe, adding even more convenience. Starting at a rumored $499, Apple is set to offer a powerful modern iPhone that's accessible for more people, bridging the gap between budget and premium like never before. So, that's your first look at the iPhone SE4, Apple's budget-friendly phone that's about to make a big splash. What do you think? Will you be picking one up? Subscribe for the latest updates on Apple's new releases. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more first looks and updates. Thanks for watching.